Back to another video. Today we're playing Don't Press the Button 4, and I am trying to reach the bottom and not touch anything that's gonna kill me. And we get to press the button. And yes, my avatar is really beautiful. So you would handsome. So you would really want to see me press the button. And I already just touched something, and that's not good. Because now I have to restart. And yes, I didn't make it to the end. Oh, I'm lucky. I'm lucky. Oh! Oh, actually, I'm not lucky because we die if we go on it. Oh, yes, I am lucky because I didn't die. Oh, let's go. We got a coin. I didn't have any coins, but yeah. Stay green. Stay green. Oh, this wasn't meant to be. Nope. Okay. Everything. No, green. Green. Jump. Green. Red. Okay. I doubted I could be a first green. We don't have to be great at everything in this. Oh no, it's saying October. Black hole. Oh gosh. We are in space, everybody. Jump. Jump. Oh no, I don't want to die. I'm too young. I can't die in space. I have no helmet. I couldn't breathe. I died. We're on them. Oh. My brain is big. No, my beautiful hat. My beautiful accessory. I'm gonna go back to the first avatar I had and put that accessory on it. But for now, I'm just gonna leave it how I am. I'm gonna be this avatar, but I'll go back to my first avatar. This is just I don't know. But let's go. We need a win. I doubt we can win, but everyone's in front of me right now. If I finish lost, I'm dumb. And yeah. Jump! What? It didn't even jump. Oh, did I just end the whole thing? I finished lost later. Someone died! Did they drink the Grimace shake? Why did I say that? I can't see. Yes, I can see it. No one can see me because I'm so tiny. And we have got to reach the top. And yes, I'm so tiny. And I don't want to be so tiny. Actually, I do want to be so tiny because then I'll jump really high. Okay. Because when you're small and you jump high. Am I saying this right? Nope. Who cares about reaching the top when we have the best chance to get free coins? Picked you up. Is that guy not gonna get a coin? No, I died. No, not color block. Yes, no, yes, I made it. I'm on the right color, my favorite color, cyan. You're using your buff. Brown. I can't move. Jump. That's the only way I can get to the fake. No, I died. I should have died because you need you need to you need to get rid of what you were before, because you never know what the next button will be. And when you never know what the next button will be, the next button will be something that you won't be able to win, because you have you know what I mean, you have a weak thing. What does that mean? That's a weak thing. Please don't tell me it's the ouch. Be the first one to don't press the button. Is it here? No. Oh. Whatever. I'm not buying anything because I need to save it. Gotta keep jumping. Yep, if we didn't, something would have died. Yes. Find the building with light. Come on. Let's go. How did I die? It's time to believe in ourselves. We can do it. Make it here, and then we can join everybody in the party. This is a building with light, and we need to say place with light so that we can get closer and not die to all the start. Yep, and that's what we do. Oh, okay. Let's go, baby. Now let's do another one. Let's go, baby. Oh, we're nearly there. Let's go. Welcome to the party. And because we joined the party, I think that's a good spot to end for today. If you want to see more videos, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.